What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Let's solve this math question that most students get wrong. Well, the first thing we're going to do is to write 4 in the base of 2. So 4 is the same as 2 to the power of 2. And this is raised to the power of x minus 2 equal to 40. Very good. Now we're going to be applying the exponent rule that says when I have a to the power of m and this is raised to the power of n, this is same as a to the power of m times n. Let's apply that here. So we're going to be having 2 to the power of 2 times x minus 2, and this is equal to 40. Very good. Now our next step will be for us to take the log base 2 of both sides, since we're having base 2 here. So take the log base 2 of both sides. So log base 2 of 2 to the power of 2 times x minus 2. This is equal to the log base 2 of 40. Very good. Now since the number here and the base here are the same, we're going to be taking the exponent. So we have 2 times x minus 2 as the exponent. This is equal to, now the right hand side we have log base 2 of 40 is same as 4 times 10. Very good. Now let's open up this bracket. 2 times x, that will be 2x, minus 2 times 2, that is 4. This is equal to, now I'm going to be applying the law of logarithm here that says that when I have the log of a times b, this can be written as log a plus log b. That means this expression now becomes log base 2 of 4 plus log base 2 of 10. And then simplifying further, we have 2x minus 4 to be equal to, this expression is same as log base 2 of 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, so it's the same thing, plus log base 2 of 10. So simplifying further, we have 2x minus 4 to be equal to, now look at, the number and the base are the same, so we take the exponent, which is 2, plus log 10 base 2. Very good. Now let's move this negative 4 to the right hand side, so that we have 2x to be equal to 2. As negative 4 crosses, it becomes plus 4. And then we have plus 10 log 10 base 2. So this becomes 2x equal to 2 plus 4, that is 6, plus log 10 base 2. Now, in order to get the value of x, we're going to be multiplying through by 1 all over 2. So I'll multiply 1 over 2 times 2x. This is equal to, I'll also multiply 1 over 2 times 6, plus, lastly, I'll multiply 1 over 2 times log 10 base 2. Now see that this 2 cancels out this 2. 1 times x, that is x, equal to, now see that 2 here 1, 2 here will be 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. Plus 1 over 2 times log 10 base 2 is 1 over 2 log 10 base 2. And this is our final answer. Now let's check if this our value of x is correct. Now remember that the given question is 4 to the power of x minus 2 equal to 40. Now we're going to be plugging this in our original expression to see if we're going to be having 40 as a result. Now on the left hand side, that is what we're going to be focused on. So we have 4 to the power of x, this is our x, which is 3 plus 1 over 2 log 10 base 2, and then minus 2, so minus 2. We're checking if we're going to be having 40. Now simplifying, we have 4 to the power of 3 minus 2, that will be 1, plus we have 1 over 2 log 10 base 2. Now we're going to be applying the law of indices that says that when I have a to the power of m plus n, as in this case, this can be written as a to power m times a to power n. So this expression can be written as 4 to the power of 1 times 4 to the power of 1 over 2 log 10 base 2. 4 to the power of 1 is 4, we all know that, times, now I'll write 4 in terms of base 2. So 4 is same as 2 squared, and this is raised to the power of 1 over 2 times log 10 base 2. So simplifying further, we have 4 times, now this becomes 2 to the power of, now remember that this exponent and the one outside are multiplying according to the law of indices. So that means these two can cancel out these two when they multiply, leaving behind log 10 base 2 as the exponent. Now there is a law of logarithm that says that when I have b to the power of log a base b, so long as this base and this base are the same, we're going to be having a number a as the result. So we can apply that here. We have 4 times, now the base here and the base here are the same, so we take the number 10 as the result. And when we multiply 4 times 10, that is 40. And this is equal to the right hand side, which is 40. So our value for x equal to 3 plus 1 over 2 log 10 base 2 is actually correct. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.